Today, I bring you an incredible feature of Elementor's Spider Elements plugin, the Stack Image Widget. This powerful widget allows you to effortlessly arrange your website images in multiple layers, creating stunning designs. With this widget, you can combine multiple images to achieve creative and unique layer effects, enhancing the visual appeal of your website. Customize the position, overlap, animation, and hover effects to bring your website to life. Locate the Stack Image widget and simply drag and drop it to your desired position on the page. Then navigate to the Stack Image Gallery section. Click on the Add Images icon, select your desired images, and then click Create a new gallery to complete the process. Preset skins have a variety of style options, which help make your website design more attractive and interactive. When you select a preset skin, it will be automatically applied to your design. However, you can customize it according to your needs if you want. You can easily customize the width, height, border type, border radius, and box shadow from the image style option, which will help you give your image a more beautiful and professional look.